Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create an extract glitch transition in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. So, let's get started. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see on the timeline, I have got two different video clips. First of all, we have to create a new adjustment layer inside the project panel. Next, click on OK. Now we can drag this adjustment layer from the project panel over to the timeline and place it on top of the two clips. Next, move over to the effects panel to apply an effect. This is an extract effect. Let's drag and drop the extract effect onto the adjustment layer. Now you can see, this gives it a bit of a black and white X-ray look. And this might result in some interesting effects, especially if you have some brighter parts like the sparks here, for example. Next, we're going to create the flickering effect. To do this, we need to zoom in on the timeline, and then switch over to the razor tool. You can do this by hitting the C key on the keyboard. Then I am going to cut the adjustment layer frame by frame around the center of the transition like this. After that, I am going to go back to the selection tool by hitting the V key, and then remove the parts of the adjustment layer that we don't need. You can do this by selecting the part, and then hit the delete key on your keyboard. And finally, you will end up with a few frames of adjustment layer with the effect applied to it, and this will give the flickering effect. It's a nice simple transition that you could use on your video. In this way, you can create an extract glitch transition in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro.